Welcome. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your astrological sign on Snapchat. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first, open your Snapchat app. Then after that, click on your Bitmoji or on your profile on the upper left side of your screen. Then after that, as you can see, my astrological sign is Sagittarius. So if you want to change that, just click on settings. You can see it on the upper right side of your screen. Then click birthday. Then you just need to edit your birthday. Just remember that you can only change your birthday a limited number of times. So for example, your true birthday is on February 5th 2003. So just click continue, and then here just click continue or OK. Then just refresh your Snapchat, then go back to your profile. Then here, as you can see, my astrological sign is now Aquarius. So that's how you do it, and I hope this video helps you. And if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.